Hi guys, hope you are doing okay. This is Ashka from MA Marketing. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review GoPro funnel. What is GoPro funnel? You know, when the word coming to funnels, everyone minds it is coming ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a very expensive program. The monthly subscription, everybody knows, that is $97. $97 per month. For a newbie it is unaffordable. So this GoPro funnel is going to kill that, and it is going to give a one-time price option. Then using that you can create any number of funnels as you wish. Okay, so this is coming to you all from one Sandinayak and Kundan Chowdhury. The launch is on 23rd December 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch will be there till 27th midnight Eastern Standard Time, that is December 27, that is New York time, guys. During this period you can get this product for a one-time price. Okay, to get this product, what you have to do is in this YouTube description, the first link, if you click that first link, you will come to my sales page directly, which looks something like this. With this GoPro funnel, I am going to give you some freebie, or if you buy this product with my link or not. If you watch my video till end, you will get that gift. I'll call it free stuff, you may call it bonus or whatever. I will show those things at the end of this review, guys. Okay, now we'll further see, we'll see further about this GoPro funnel. Okay, now the Nayak saying, attention entrepreneurs, small business owners, online marketers, and marketing agencies. Brand new ClickFunnels killer lets you build dynamic and profitable funnels in minutes without any technical skills, outsourcing, or ongoing monthly fee. Okay guys, zero technical skills required, commercial license included, fully mobile friendly. Okay, now the demo, now these are the templates that you can create with this GoFunnel. Okay, that is website fan. You can create also website templates, sales page templates, quiz funnels templates, landing page templates, thank you page templates, and email templates. You can all create all this with this GoPro funnel, guys. Okay, I will leave the demo video also in the description. Okay, and if you go further down, he says 100% cloud-based, no download or installation is required. Connect to your favorite SMTP servers. No domain or hosting required. Host all your pages and funnels on our fast CDN servers. Create unlimited pages for yourself and your clients to point and click your way to the perfect funnel as soon as possible. All in one solution for all your funnels building needs. Tons of templates including quiz templates to give you started quickly, SEO optimized and free built in traffic hubs, fully responsive and mobile friendly fast landing websites, no technical skills or prior experience required, no monthly fees, pay once and use forever. 18 to now he's the one using correct word, 18:7 premium customer support. What is that? 18:7, I don't understand. Okay, fine. Now if you go further down, now okay guys, now actually even this is not going to work in a long run if you know how to create funnels. Okay, then if you don't know, now if you don't know how to create funnels, and if you're going to learn funnels, if you buy ClickFunnels, then you will end up, because within 1 month will run like this, and you will end up without spending $97 without any use, because you have to learn first of all to create funnels. Okay, you have to, even though we say you can create it without any technical skills and within minutes, that is not possible, guys. You need a learning curve. That's a learning curve, so the time will go off. Okay, so without going to the ClickFunnels at once, you can give a try using this funnel builder. You can buy this for a one-time lower price, and you can learn. Okay, earning money, forget about that for a time being. Okay, just you can learn how to build funnels and all these templates. Once you are satisfied, or if you are not satisfied, then if you are satisfied, you can go with this. If you are not satisfied with this GoPro funnel, you can go and buy ClickFunnels, by that you can save a lot of money, okay, because to learn it will take time. So if you just go and buy ClickFunnels and within the 1 month will run away like nothing, then you will end up just losing money. But here the opportunity is you can get this product and learn all these templates to how to create. It will take time. So by that time, as I told you before, if you are not satisfied, you can go to the ClickFunnels, or if you're satisfied, you can stick with this GoPro funnel, okay, to do all your works. Okay, now here if you come further down, it says for the first time ever you can generate high converting funnels that generate qualified prospects and customers like clockwork in minutes. Access this powerful hybrid funnel builder solution and start creating profitable funnels. Leaves if you are a newbie for just one-time investment. Okay, that's true. Okay, with this small investment you can learn so many things, as I told you before. Okay, grab your profit for funnel now and save $97 a month today, because that is the $97 is the amount that you're going to pay for ClickFunnels. Okay guys, now here if you click here, you can go to the Warrior Plus. This is launched via Warrior Plus. If you click here, you will go to the Warrior Plus paying section, and there you can check it out for the price I am going to show in a while. Okay, here not just us, but even early adapters are doing great within GoPro funnels. Okay, here are some testimonials. I will leave these testimonials for you all to read. Before buying, please go through the entire sales page 1 or 2 times and go through the demo video as well 1 or 2 times. If you are 100% satisfied that if you can learn so many things, then you can go and buy. After learning, you can use this platform to earn money. Okay, if you are watching this to earn money tomorrow, please don't, because this is not going to help you to make money tomorrow. Because even though we say there are so many words inside this, but it is not like that. You have to take action. That is, you have to learn, then you have to implement, then the results will take time. Okay, these are some screenshots. These are typical, guys. As I told you, you are not going to make this amount tomorrow, even if you buy this GoPro funnel from me or to anyone's link. Even if you buy today, you're not going to make this. This is the results of a hard work. And remember, in this online business, there is no push button millionaire system or push button money making system. You have to work. You have to put your effort, time and commitments and sacrifices. Then only you can become success in this online business, guys. Okay, good. If you go further down, we trust this software, and a big chunk of a business use this platform to build high converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages and much more. Okay, using GoPro funnels is easy as 1 2 3. Yes, while they are here, these are the steps. Okay, step one is choose a page template you want to use and easily edit or start from scratch using drag and drop builder. Second step is select the type of funnel you want to create and add your pages. Okay, this is a sample of a funnel. Okay, and means step 3 is publish your website funnel live in single click, add to any of the traffic hubs built inside for free organic traffic. Free organic traffic. I don't trust this much, guys. Okay, if you want to earn money, you have to spend money. That you have to go for paid traffic to earn money. Okay, the organic free traffic, it is not a reliable thing, that I want to say honestly. Okay, never pay money. Okay, never pay a monthly fee again. Okay, of course, if you buy this is a one-time price you're going to pay. Okay, good. If you go further down, these are the 2 people, Sandy Nayak and Kundan Chowdhury. These are the 2 friends. Dear friends, they are saying it doesn't matter what it's whether it's a brick and mortar business or an online presence, you need to sell things fast, easily. Nobody is going to remember you, and this is where funnels come to your rescue. With years of experience in creating high converting funnels for businesses, we have come across hundreds of clients struggling to make sales and profits by complicating the funnels building process. Plain and simply, you need to use funnels correctly in your business if you truly want to hit your income goals. And if you are constantly paying each month to money sucking third parties that are only focused on robbing your hard earned money with outdated features, you won't be able to sustain in the long run, okay, long run period, okay. But they are saying it's time to bury the demons of past. If you are serious about better funnel building system for your businesses, okay, here existing solution may not have worked so far because they are difficult to use, lack of awareness, features that you can use, they are costly and come with monthly recurring charges, requires you to go through learning curve, fails to deliver the desired results. It takes a lot of time to learn about usage of the platform. These points he's talking if you use other funnels, okay. And he says in other words, if you buy this GoPro funnel, these are not necessary because everything is simple, okay. That's what he's saying here. And if you come down, the solution to your problem is finally here: save your hard-earned money. And I imagine having this much power at your fingertips. We'll see what are those much power. A reliable and effective funnel builder, so you spend more time scaling and living the life you deserve. Seamlessly integrated with your favorite autoresponders in no time. Work for any niche, market or business size. Close more clients, happy customers. Done for you traffic sources. A long-term sustainable business solution without investing tons of time and money, okay. Now here we are coming, having said this, we are coming to the introduction part of GoPro funnel. GoPro funnel is a next generation funnel builder which allows you to create comprehensive and effective sales funnel with no monthly cost involved. That is true, and that's what, as I told you before, you can give a try, you can buy this, you can learn all the types of funnels what we mention here, okay. Here these are the funnels, where the templates and funnels we mentioned before. Again, I'm reading that for you: website templates, sales pages templates, quiz funnel templates, landing page templates, thank you page, and email templates. You can learn after buying this, okay guys. Then if you are satisfied, as I told you before, you can stick with this GoPro funnel, or you can skip it and go and pay the highly payment funnel builders, okay guys. So good. Now if you go further down, I can, again, this is the here, if you click here, you can get this product. And okay, he says in GoPro funnel is packed with powerful features that makes your funnel build simply yet effectively. Dynamic robo page builders and 50 done for you GoPro funnel landing pages and website templates, and too many communication quiz funnels for fast sales and profits. Offer more customization to perfectly match your brand style. We host all your pages on superfast CDN servers, and options to connect your SMTP servers, and unlimited access to GoPro funnels. Effective support desk to help you tackle any problem that you come across, okay. And one-time fee, no monthly cost ever. 18 that is 18 to 7 premium support to solve all your issues on time, 24/7. They have reduced to 18 hours, okay. Good, I think so. This is 18 means 18 hours per day, 18 hours per week, 7 days per week. So okay, that maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure what is this means, okay. 18 into 7 premium support to solve all your issues on time, okay. You are going to get all this with this, all these supports with this GoPro funnel if you buy, okay guys. Good. If you go further down, he is saying what GoPro funnel has everything that any other super expensive platforms have, but without any recurring fee, okay. We'll see what she is saying about, or ability to create landing pages and websites in any niche of your choice, ability to access your data from any device from anywhere in the world, a long-term sustainable business solution without investing tons of time and money, secure hosting for all your pages on our superfast CDN servers, unlimited bandwidth to no extra monthly fee cost, Add custom domain to all your high converting pages. Effective support desk to help you to tackle any problems that you come across. Okay, still skeptical, watch the demo below. Okay, I will attach the demo video in the YouTube description, guys. Okay, now if you go further down, now these are some testimonials. I will leave this testimonial for you all to read before this buying, guys. Okay, I'm again remembering to, before buying this GoPro funnel, go entirely through this sales page once or two and watch the demo video for 1 or 2 times. Once you are satisfied, go and buy and enjoy. Who is GoPro funnel who is GoPro funnel suitable for? YouTube and vloggers, social media influencers, e-commerce store owners, and podcasters, email marketers, bloggers, and website owners. Okay, this is the suitable for all these people. Okay, guys, now this saving is unbelievable. Check it out for yourself. Okay, now the best deal. Now GoPro funnel, you can see here and there is a comparison with the other funnel builders. For example, ClickFunnels, Katara, and Convertly, and in Insta pages. Okay, you can see, you can read this comparison and you can see what is the benefit you are going to get this. If you are not getting any benefit, you can ask the money back guarantee. There's a money back guarantee as well. Okay, so all these we are going to get for all these facilities. You can see with the GoPro funnel, you are going to pay only this much money, that is $17. And if you go for ClickFunnels, everyone's mind, you can see 101,164 per year. And if you go for the Katara, and then that is $948. And if you go to Convertly, and that is $948. And the last one, Instapage, is $1,788 per year, but you are going to pay only here. And as I told you before going, before going to these places, okay, you can buy this for $17 and learn. Okay, I'm reminding, if you're satisfied, then you can stay with this, or you can go to other funnel builders if you're not satisfied with this GoPro funnel. Okay, if that is not promising, if they are not keeping with the word what they are says in the sales page, then you can go. Or else here to learn, before earning money, you have to learn. Okay, so to learn, spending $17 is nothing. Okay, other than if you spend all this much money and get stuck in other funnel building applications. Okay, guys, hurry up. Okay, I will leave rest of this for you all to read and understand. Okay, now here the vendor is throwing some bonuses, unlimited email chat support. Okay, and the bonus 2 is the underground GoPro funnel mastery series, and the bonus 3 is free upgrade to the GoPro funnel commercial license, and the bonus 4 is from the vendor is video VR Elite. Video, I think I don't know how it video. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, VR Elite. Okay, and the fifth bonus is Omni Traffic Prime, and these 4 bonuses you are getting getting from the vendor. Okay, guys. Okay, I will show my bonuses or free stuff at the end of this review. Okay, let's recap everything that you are getting with GoPro funnel today. Okay, here I see, and this easy to use drag and drop page builder, build landing pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, checkout pages, sign up pages, giveaway pages, quiz pages, etc. You can do with this, and create high converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages, quiz pages under 60 seconds. That is not for a newbie. Okay, guys, this is for experienced person. Okay, unlock 50 plus done for your high converting templates. Add custom domain to your high converting pages. Impact CSV list and segmentation. Integrate with popular email gateways, SMTP servers, SendGrid, Mailgun, and Maildrill, and etc. Broadcast emails to your customers' input list. Done for your traffic sources. Get email campaigns report, open rate and click rate, seamless auto-respond integration, 30-day money back guarantee also there, without any questions. As I told you, if you are not satisfied this, you can ask the money, but here my intention to promote this product is that you can learn how to build all these pages, okay, these pages. Then if you're not satisfied, you can go for the other funnel builders and enjoy that one, okay. But here you can learn. That is my main intention, to promote this GoPro funnel, guys. Okay, good. Go. If you go further down, here again they are saying the bonus part. Okay, again I will read this for you. Special bonus one: cloud storage guide, $100K traffic blueprint, 100K Google AdSense blueprint, site speed secrets, email monetize secrets. Also, you're going to get with along with other bonuses. Okay, guys. Now, okay, and here they're coming to the money back guarantee. Also, there. Okay, now the launch is on 23rd December. 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, guys. Now we'll go and see what is this priced for. Okay, the front end is just $14, and the $17. I think you will get a discount as well. Okay, guys. There are some other OTOs. Those OTOs are not necessary. Once you're satisfied, if you start to make money with this, then you can go and upgrade for the other OTOs, or else the front end is more than enough. With front end, you are going to get access to the powerful GoPro funnel software and training modules, easy to use drag and drop page builder, easy and simple styling and mobile responsive design, create high converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages, quiz pages under 60 seconds. That is 60 seconds. Again, I am saying this is not for a newbie. Okay, it will take time. Okay, this is for expert person. Yes, if you already know about other ClickFunnels, then you can do that within 60 seconds, or else it will take time. And again, 50 plus done for you high converting templates, different categories like landing pages, or opt-in pages, thank you pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, checkout pages, sign-ups, giveaway, and quiz pages. Also you can do with just the front end, guys. Okay, good. Done for your traffic sources. I'm not sure about that. Unlock top 10 plus auto respond integration, add custom domain to your high converting pages, import CSV contact list and segmentation, integrate with most popular email gateways, SMT, Mailgun, SendGrid, MailDrill, etc. Broadcast email to custom imported list, campaign scheduling, get email campaign report, open rate and click rate, MailChimp autorespond integration, active campaign autorespond integration. All you're going to get with the front end, guys. So that is more than enough to learn. Okay, and again here there are so many things. I mean, you can read all these things later on, guys. Okay, with this I'm coming to my end of this review. As I told you, I'm going to give some freebies. For that, you have to come to the website called idplr.com. okay, guys, this is a free website that you can download PLR products. That means private label rights products. Here you can create your account for free, and here you have 12,590 PLR products. You can download this, and then after that you can do whatever you want. If you come to this free products section, you can see here you have free ebooks, software, videos, audios, graphics, templates, and everything for free. You can download this and do whatever you want. Okay, or else if you go to the product section, if you want more products, you can pay a small subscription and download this as well. And using this, you can do any promotion or whatever you wish to do in your promotion of this online business, guys. Okay, with this I'm coming to the end of this review of this GoPro funnel, guys. Okay, as I told you, this is another best place to learn, not to earn money at once. This is the best place to learn, paying a small amount, because if you go to for other platforms paying a high amount to learn, it will take 2-3 weeks, then everything will be your money first month 97 or more than that will be gone. But here you are going to pay a small amount and you can learn so many things. That's what I want promoting this, guys. Okay, that's it. That's what I want to tell. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, because I used to review IT products, cloud-based softwares, how to make money online, and tutorials. Also, I do all those will be notified once you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, guys. And there's another one thing I want to tell, that to earn money there are so many ways. This is another way. If you have a YouTube channel and if you are consistently posting YouTube videos to your channel, you can get monetize your channel with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you can start earning YouTube revenue. For that you need to work hard at least 8 to 12 months to come to reach that level, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, but there's another course. I will attach that course link in the description. If you buy that course, it's a high ticket course. You can do the work and start earning YouTube revenue within 1 month's time. I already bought that course and I'm implementing, and I'm starting to earn YouTube revenue within a very short period, guys. Okay, that for the course, that I will leave the link in the description. Okay, before leaving, guys, please leave a thumbs up to this video, because that thumbs up, your thumbs up will make a very good impact in this YouTube algorithm, because the YouTube algorithm will push my videos. If you leave a thumbs up, then others also will be able to watch. All depends on your valuable thumbs up. So leave a thumbs up and place a comment and go, guys. That's all I have to talk about. Thank you very much for watching this GoPro funnel review. See you soon in my next video.